Want to boost your workouts with less effort? A vibration plate exercise machine helps improve muscle strength, burn fat, and enhance circulation, all with just a few minutes a day. Today, we're counting down the top 10 vibration plate exercise machines on Amazon, from budget-friendly picks to pro-level machines. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. At number 1 we have Lifepro Waver Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Transform your physique with our vibrating exercise equipment. The Waver Whole Body Vibration Plate delivers full body vibrations to enhance muscle contraction and activation. Enjoy stronger muscles, improved balance, and increased flexibility conveniently at home. Through oscillation movement, the Lifepro Waver Vibration Plate Exercise Machine improves muscles, energy balance, circulation, and reduces joint tension. Get started with everything you need, including 2 loop bands, 4 resistance bands, remote control, and user guide. Easily stows away under your bed or furniture. Easily switch between 99 speed settings to maximize your workouts. The vibration board exercise machine features anti-slip rubber, a user-friendly display, and whisper-quiet vibrations for maximum convenience. Our vibration platform gives your body's natural healing abilities a gentle nudge in the right direction, helping your muscles and joints repair faster. At number 2 we have AXV Vibration Fitness Platform Exercise Machine. Jump on your vibrating exercise machine to instantly sculpt your ideal body. The system creates a full body vibration that stimulates muscles, causing extra muscle contraction and increased activation. The AXV vibration plate delivers efficient and gentle whole body vibrations, waking muscles throughout the body and increasing blood flow in the muscles. This enhances your body's built-in ability to regenerate cells and repair itself. Adjustable vibration speed, 1 to 120, with 2 resistance workout bands, can exercise upper body and lower body at the same time. Offering variety of exercise modes, allow you to try different vibration exercises. With this workout machine, you can have your routine exercise done in only 10 minutes every day. Anti-slip coating designed, enhanced upgraded ergonomic design shell ensures more durability and stability. At number 3 we have EILISON FitMax 3D XL Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. The EILISON Oscillating Vibration 3D Whole Body Vibration Plate Exercise Machine features a unique acupressure plate surface. With the help of strong vibrations from our platform machine, it stimulates pressure points on the feet, which aids in relieving back pain, headaches, insomnia, poor blood circulation, muscle and joint pain, stress, and anxiety. The EILISON Full Body Vibration Plate Exercise Machine into their daily routine to lose weight. The strong vibrations stimulate muscles from the feet all the way to the head, forcing fast, strenuous contractions of muscle fibers throughout the body. This power plate also helps increase bone density, improve muscle strength, enhance lymphatic drainage, and boost body flexibility. The EILISON Vibration Platform Machine is a fully loaded fitness plate. This machine features a touch panel, strong vibrations, and a noiseless motor, offering you a premium sports experience. At number 4 we have PUREOYI Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Vibration Plate Exercise Machine provides 5 workout modes: manual mode with adjustable vibration speed, 1 to 180, and smart mode with 4 different frequencies. Comes with 2 resistance training bands to work out both upper and lower body. 10 minutes workout per day to increase bone mineral density, relieve and reduce stress levels. Operate the vibration plate in 2 ways, with the included remote control or via the LED touchscreen. The display allows you to see the time and speed for a clear view of your workout. Anti-slip coated design, impact-resistant ABS housing ensures the longevity and protection of the motor. The Waver Body Vibration Machine generates whole body vibrations for muscle contraction and activation to burn calories and fat, which can help your body process fat many times faster than running. Ental therapeutic vibration awakens muscles throughout the body, restoring muscle strength, enhancing bone density, improving blood circulation, boosting metabolism and lymphatic drainage. At number 5 we have Lifepro Rumblex 4D Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. With a Lifepro Rumblex 4D vibration plate, you enjoy the professional therapeutical effects of improved bone density and blood circulation from the comfort of your home. Our vibration exercise machine has 7 training modes and 60 speed settings to deliver ultimate workout and rehabilitation experience and customization. Rumblex 4D vibration plate boosts your built-in ability to regenerate cells and recover so your body repairs and revives itself, feeling healthy and full of life. Our whole body vibration machine has a 4D effect, increasing your workout intensity and scope. Take a leap and become your own champion with Lifepro Body Vibration Machine. Our powerful whole body vibration plate is a clinically proven way to melt fat and boost your metabolism. Lose weight while forging a muscular and tight body with Rumblex. At number 6 we have Taevno Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Step onto Taevno Vibration Plate Exercise Machine and sculpt your dream figure instantly. Upgraded 199 speed adjustable vibration plate stimulates muscles through high-frequency vibrations, accelerating muscle contractions and activation, and boosting metabolism. Gentle vibrations activate muscles throughout the body. Scientific vibrations help restore muscle strength, increase bone density, improve blood circulation, accelerate lymphatic drainage, and reduce joint pressure. Regular use can alleviate chronic pain, heal old injuries, and enhance the range of motion, resulting in a more energized body and a more relaxed mind. Taevno Vibrating Plate Exercise Machine supports remote control operation, and the LED touch display clearly shows time and speed, allowing you to monitor your workout progress anytime. Bluetooth music connectivity adds enjoyment to your exercise routine. It features a non-slip design and magnetic health massage function. At number 7 we have SoftGym Power Vibration Plate 300 to 400 pounds capacity. The vibration plate exercise machine is equipped with multiple exercise modes, which can target different parts of the body, such as the waist, abdomen, buttocks, and legs, for a full body workout. The vibration plate stimulates muscles with high-frequency vibrations, inducing additional muscle contractions and activation. This helps to burn calories and fat quickly, shedding excess pounds faster than running and helping you achieve your fitness goals more quickly. The power plate offers both manual and automatic modes, with a choice of 120 levels of vibration speed. It comes with resistance training bands and exercise bands for a comprehensive full-body workout. Get in shape in just 10 minutes a day. The non-slip coated design and impact-resistant ABS housing ensure longevity and protect the motor. 4 non-slip suction cups on the bottom ensure the stability of the vibration plate, preventing slippage and reducing exercise noise, ensuring minimal disruption during your workout. At number 8 we have Natini Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Natini Vibration Plate Exercise Machine offers a new and effective exercise way to work out your whole body. Benefits from vibration exercise go far beyond relax your muscle, stimulate blood circulation. You will also enjoy lymphatic drainage, tone muscles. Only 10 minutes a day, ideal product for your friends and family members, bringing them a new healthy life. The vibration plate can stimulate lymphatic circulation in the body, promotes the elimination of waste and toxins, reduces swelling, and improves overall physical condition. Compare with other vibration platform machine in the market, this exercise vibration platform adds Pilates bar and resistance bands, allowing you to get leg, arm, shoulder training, strength training, and cardio exercise right at home. Walking, jogging and running automatic modes, which are designed for different exercise demands. At number 9 we have GDCOO Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Our vibration plate contains P1 P7 7 automatic modes and HR manual mode, in which P1 P7 will be in the set speed interval intelligent variable speed, manual mode with adjustable vibration speed, 1 to 200. Vibration plate comes with 2 resistance training bands to work out both upper and lower body. 10 minutes workout per day to increase bone mineral density, relieve and reduce stress levels. The vibration plate supports remote control operation, while the LED display screen clearly shows time and speed, allowing you to monitor exercise progress at any time. Anti-slip coated design, impact-resistant ABS housing ensures the longevity and protection of the motor. The bottom 4 anti-slip suction cups ensure stability of the vibration plate, preventing slipping and reducing exercise noise, ensuring minimal disturbance during workouts, even for sleeping babies. These help you use it more easily and reduce noise during practice. It supports a maximum weight of 450 pounds. At number 10 we have MERACH Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. The vibration plate stimulates muscles through high-frequency vibrations, inducing additional muscle contractions and activation. This helps burn calories and fat rapidly, aiding in shedding excess weight faster than running, helping you achieve your fitness goals swiftly. Gentle therapeutic vibrations awaken muscles throughout the body, aiding in muscle strength recovery, enhancing bone density, optimizing blood circulation, and accelerating metabolism and lymphatic drainage. This process not only helps alleviate chronic pain, repair old injuries, but also improves the body's range of motion, making you feel revitalized both physically and mentally. MERACH Vibration Plate Exercise Machine offers various exercise modes, including manual and automatic modes, with 10 levels of vibration speed selection. Equipped with resistance training bands. Just 10 minutes a day increases bone mineral density and relieves stress, allowing you to effortlessly achieve a perfect physique.